Hello, everyone. I'm Rob Thomas with American Golfer, and we got a package here from Broken Top Candle Company. There you go, right there. I'll tell you something about what we have here. Summer's here. I love almost everything about summer. Of course, we get the golf here in the Northeast. 4 or 5 months of the year, it's miserable. It's either snow on the ground or super wet or whatever. We just can't play golf. Golf courses are closed. But here in the summertime, we get to play golf. I don't love bugs about summer. That's the only thing I don't like about summer. I love the heat. I don't mind sweating. It's great. This right here is going to take care of the bugs. Whether we're sitting on the patio drinking a beer after the round, or hanging out by the pool, or even on the golf course. And we get to this right here. Let me tell you something about this. Fresh lemon smell combined with a tart citrus smell. Your nose right up there by the screen. Yeah, right? It's pretty good. You're going to want to stay bug-free this summer. This is the candle, 50-hour burn time, gluten-free and vegan. Don't eat it, though. It says it's gluten-free and vegan, but don't eat it. I don't think it'll poison you, but I bet it's not going to taste very good. Candle, don't eat it. Burn it. 50 hours of burn time. Right there, the repellent spray. Not for your skin. This is to spray your furniture. Keep the bugs away from you via the spray. Free of parabens and phthalates. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It is skin safe. So you spray the furniture, sit down a pair of shorts, armrest, whatever. It's not going to irritate your skin. Just don't spray it on your skin. You want to put something on your skin, that's what the repellent stick is. You put it on your, again, look at that. Wrists, elbows, neck, back of the knees, wherever the pulse points are. That's where you're going to put the rub on. You can take that to the golf course with you. Put it in your golf bag. Last but certainly not least, we have incense cones. There are 25 incense cones and a book of matches in this little package right here. You all know how incense works, right? Oh, there's a little wooden stick right there. What you want to do, put one of these on that wooden stick, light it. Let it burn for 20 seconds and blow it out. And the little smoke that it creates can keep the bugs away. Learn more at BrokenTopCandleCompany.com. BrokenTopCandleCo.com. Don't spell it company. Co is fine. BrokenTopCandleCompany.com. Again, don't spell it candle. Company. Don't spell it. Let's start this over. Not over. www.BrokenTopCandleCo.com. That's it. Cut. Don't do it over again. Before you go to BrokenTopCandleCo.com, do me a favor, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll let you know we have other items, whether it's something nifty like this to keep the bugs away, something to smack around the golf course, something to drink. I just showed you some beer from California in the last video. Go back and check it out. I'll put it right here too, so you can follow along. Whatever you want to do. Take care, stay well, and have a great day.